Hi, I'm Barnabás Őri and I've been growing organic vegetables for more than 10 years. I created the 3R Garden to share my experience with hobby gardeners who are interested in becoming more self-sufficient. The 3R Garden is a 100 square meter or 1000 square foot organic garden where I grow organic vegetables for my family with only 3 hours of gardening a week. To share what I've discovered in the best and most easily accessible way, I've created the 3R Garden online course, which is divided into two main parts. The first is about how to design your garden, what to take into account when planning it, what tools and equipment you will need to create your garden, why we use permanent beds, how you can design your own greenhouse and nursery, and how you can produce the compost you will use in your organic garden. I will also present the sowing plan process in detail. So the first part of the course is about the basics and the first steps needed for a well-functioning organic garden. The second part is entirely about cultivating the garden. I show in detail the interrelated work processes, including the preparation of the beds, sowing and planting, weed management, nutrient supply, and plant protection. After getting familiar with the most important work processes, you can discover how to cultivate more than 50 types of vegetables and herbs, down to the smallest details. If you've been planning to get into gardening for some time, or if you want to grow more vegetables in your own garden and increase your efficiency, the 3R Garden online course is for you. There's over 10 hours of HD video material, tables, text descriptions and resources, all helping you create your own 3R garden. You can sign up for the online course on our website, the3rgarden.com. We look forward to seeing you. Happy gardening!